Hey there, Tech Masters. Welcome back to Cool TechZ 2.0, your go-to hub for all things cutting edge in the world of technology. I'm thrilled to have you here because today we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the backbone of internet, HTML. Imagine a world of where you have the power to craft digital landscapes where lines of code transform into visually stunning websites. Today, we are unraveling the magic behind the transformation, HTML. So, buckle up because by the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge to create your own masterpiece. Do you know what exactly is HTML? HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. It is the backbone of web pages. It provides the structure that browsers use to display content. Think of it as architectural blueprint of a website. Every HTML document begins with doctype HTML declaration, as you can see on my screen, and under that followed by HTML head, body, and other elements like that. HTML operates on the concept of tags and elements. Tags are like instructions to browser on how to format and display content. Elements such as header tag used are heading tag and paragraph tag and etc. Plays a now let's explore attributes. This provides additional information to our elements, allowing for customization. We'll see how attributes enhance elements like images and links make your web pages more dynamic. So, for adding an image is used this image src tag. Here you have to enter the path of HTML isn't about displaying text. It's also about interaction. Well, delve into word from elements, an integral part of web development. Text boxes, buttons, and checkboxes are the just beginning. Get to the phases. So, for the form tag, here is the attribute. Here. From here you can make form. It starts from form action and a label, input type and label for email, input type for email ID, button type submit. Moving beyond the theory, let's create a simple HTML page together. We'll discuss best practices for organizing content, impressing the importance of identification and clear structure. A well organized HTML document in the key to maintainability. Here you can see I have created this before. So here I have added form and image and headings and paragraphs and all. And let's see how does it done. So for saving, we have to just click ctrl plus s, control plus s, and choose any name, choose any domain. I choose Virat Kohli. So, but you have to use .html in the last. Only then your website will be so done. When you open that file, as you can see, our web page is ready now. Here is the form, and here is the email section. And when we submit, it's not filled. That's why it will not submit. So here is Virat Kohli. I made this web page. You can make more better than me. To sum up, we covered the fundamentals of HTML from its structure of tags, elements, and attributes. We explored the dynamic nature of HTML, especially in the context of form elements. This is the foundation you need to start building your web development skills. In our next video, we'll venture into more advanced HTML concepts and possibly touch upon CSS. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you found this video helpful, share it with your fellow tech masters. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more in depth web development content.
Until next time, happy coding. Wait. Before you go, I have a small question for you. Which do you like most, HTML or Scratch? Comment.